Ito yung train na sasakyan natin today. Ayan, hanggang doon sa dulo. Ang ganda ng puno. Yung isa nakakalbo na. Okay, and today is 8:10 a.m. Thursday. We're going to where today?
So we're going to Blue Ridge, Georgia, and we're going to take the Blue Ridge Scenic Railway. Not quite sure exactly where it goes. I forgot, but we'll be hopefully seeing some beautiful scenery, some autumn colors from the leaves changing. I know we stop in some town along the way, and I think we spend some time there to walk around and shop. So we'll see what we see today.
Yeah, let's go, guys. See you there. How to call this road? It's a five-way. How you call this? One is going there, one going there, and one going straight, and one going to the left. Two going to the right, and then there's another one in there. I don't know. It's my first time to see this kind of road.
This way.
Five ways. Go. Yeah, I see that. Woo, it's in there. Yeah, just a little rainbow. Ganda ng puno. Ang ganda ng puno. Yung isa nakakalbo na. Ito yung train na sasakyan natin today. Ayan, hanggang doon sa dulo.
Yeah, there's a pin.
Yan tayo sasakay. Yeah. minutes para maghantay, para umalis. At bago yan, meron silang binigay na tag. Ayan. Tapos may bag at saka booklet.
I'm not the conductor.
Ito yung booklets na binigay sa amin. Ayan, tinitingnan ni Albert. Tapos may bag din na binigay sa amin at saka ballpen. Ito yung bag na binigay sa amin. Ayan. Remembrance.
Okay, I'll start serving y'all in just a few minutes. Let me tell you what I've got. Regular Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Zero Coke, Mr. Pibb, unsweet tea, ginger ale, water, coffee, hot chocolate, orange juice and apple juice. And I got 2 sparkling waters, blueberry, orange grapefruit. I had 2 more, but we run out of them. They're not going to get them. I can get rid of this. So.
Individual rail car. Again, the train is about to move. Please be seated. If you're walking through the train, please use the nearest handrail for support. After the train has begun to move, you may walk through the train to visit our concession car.
Paalis na tayo. There's another train, small.
We step back in time. This is a gorgeous 26-mile round trip down to the Coa River Valley to the historic towns of Kaysville, Georgia and Copper Hill, Tennessee. We want your trip to be enjoyable, informative, and safe. Please sit back and relax while I review our safety guidelines and general information. If you're riding in one of our open-air cars, please keep your head and arms inside the train at all times. Do not reach out to grab any branches that may be close to the train.
Cold for me.
Keep the aisles and area around your seat clear so that other passengers may safely pass through the coach. Watch your footing as you walk through the train, especially between the cars. Please wear your shoes at all times, and if they have laces, please keep them tied. Please keep your feet off the seats to help preserve these historic rail cars. Children under the age of 13 must be accompanied by an adult 18 years of age or older when walking through the train. And please, no running. There are restrooms in most of the coaches. Cars 332 and 405, located just south of the concession car, have diaper changing stations. Please ask your car host for directions. The Blue and Scenic Railway is a smoke-free, electronic cigarette-free, and alcohol-free environment. This includes the depot, the train, and boarding areas at both ends of the line. Your attention to these guidelines and your cooperation with our safety crew will ensure that your trip will be memorable and safe. Our concession car, located at the middle of the train, is open and selling refreshments and souvenirs. A track leading into the woods. This track is Murphy Junction. The track was used previously to travel to Murphy, North Carolina, and then on to Asheville, North Carolina. The track was abandoned around 1983 and is now used to reposition train cars or to turn a train around. You'll see a small white farmhouse. This is the Painter Sisters farm. 11 children were born and raised in this home. Mr. Painter worked for the L&N Railroad at a starting pay of 50 cents per day in the mid-1930s. take about 1 hour to travel the track miles to McKaysville.
Oh boy.
My breakfast time. What's cinnamon? Cinnamon bread and fruits. Wow. Breakfast muna tayo habang nasa biyahe.
I'm sorry.
You're fine. I wouldn't run over you.
No, you said beep beep. It's like a grocery store.
Yeah, you were taking pictures. That's good.